Video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome slow or lagging in Windows 10 quickly and easily. To begin, open Google Chrome on your Windows 10 computer. Then look at the top right corner of the browser window for the three vertical dots, which open Chrome's menu. Click that menu and you will see an option called Settings. Select Settings to enter the main configuration area. Now take a moment to locate the System category inside Chrome Settings. In the System area, you will see an option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Go ahead and toggle the setting. If you see a switch, click it so that it changes to the opposite position. As you do this, pay attention to the current state. You want to confirm that you are not just touching the switch, but actually changing it. After you toggle it, you may need to restart Chrome for the change to fully take effect. Once the change is applied, close Chrome completely, then reopen it. When you are back in Chrome, test it right away. If Chrome improves, you have successfully addressed a common cause of lag. That covers everything you need to know.